Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am doing this week's plan with me in voiceover style because I wanted to shorten it down a little bit because it did take 20 minutes from start to finish, but I chose this washi tape that was so pretty, and it goes really well with all of the different Happy Planner stickers. I really didn't know where I was going to be going with it, but I knew that I wanted to try a layering technique on this, and I'll tell you, by the end I love it. So I just grabbed a bunch of the books that I had. All of them were from the Me and My Big Ideas, and then I saw that there was some pink in there, so then I grabbed my little pink labels. I grabbed the to-dos, the to buy, and then the final one was just to remember. So I changed it from to watch to remember. And then we're just going to go ahead and continue looking through. I just look for different types of stickers, and I thought I saw one that said reproductive, and I did, but I wanted it in the blue, so I went back and found it in the blue. I liked it because that was I think that was the color story, so I had everything in the colors. And now I'm just looking for a good type of saying that would go with my planner here. And then again, I'm just flipping through. I know that I have a project due, so I'm going to stick that right there. And then continue. That's all I do throughout this whole thing, and that's why I kind of sped it up. But I found a weekend sticker, and it wouldn't go all the way across, but I did a week on one and then end on the other, so Saturday and Sunday, and that made a great weekend little layout there. And then I put my first sticker down that I wanted to have on there, and then see how I'm layering it. I put that right over the corner, and I saw somebody else do it. I just was scrolling through on Instagram, I believe. So then I take this beautiful floral and I put that one right over the washi tape. But I'm not done. Again, I'm going to be layering. So I'm looking for a good to-do kind of list, and I found this one. It's my top 5 things. Look how I layered that right on top. And I'm still not done. So I'm going to go away next weekend. So I wanted to put that right over there on my weekend. And then I come back with that saying and I layer that. So it took up 3 different days, but I'll still have room to be able to go ahead and write the things that I need to write down. I'm just looking, finding a couple here and there, and I find this errands, I believe is what it said. And now this one came from Target. This is the only one I used that wasn't from another place. And I just layered that right over the top as well. And that one said yoga. So there we go. Looking again, seeing if there's anything that I like. And those are my goals. And I don't remember what that one said. That's the hard part. My poor eyes aren't working properly and I couldn't see what it was. And it's going a little bit faster. But I did want to put my hydrate in my self-care there. And then I know I ended up looking through and I thought I found... Okay, so right there, there was still, it was bigger than the words. So I ended up grabbing just a heart and sticking it on the end. So good thing this was an overlay layout. And then check out these Happy Planner stickers. They matched perfectly with the washi tape. So then I went through and just added some flowers for decoration and made sure that everything had a little bit of color. And then I realized on Friday I had a list of things that needed to be accomplished, and these flags were super cute. So I went ahead and added them, and even went with a black because I do have black throughout. So I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!